Hey guys, this is my first unboxing video. Today I'm unboxing AmpliFi HD. This is a home Wi-Fi mesh technology router, and I hear a lot of good thing about this thing. So let's see what the box look like. So this box says what the thing is. It's got a couple of ports. It's got nice mobile app, and let's open it. Alright, let's go ahead. Okay, this pretty nice unboxing thing. Cool. This Gigabit logo on it. And there we go. Nice. Look, this is it. There are 4 Ethernet ports, 1 WAN port, 1 USB. This is for future use. Not sure what it's gonna be like, but good thing it's got a charging port for USB-C, which I like it. So it's good. So I'll be setting up tonight, and I'll give you another rundown how to set it up. Now let's have a look what's inside. It's got some books. It's some user guide. Oh, some more paperwork. It's called first degree. Alright, let's put our background about the brand. Nice. Look at it. What else we have? Oh, we have a Ethernet cable. What else? Oh, we have a USB-C charger. Cable looks pretty good. Decent length cable. Let's have a look what sort of charging this is. It's a 12 volt, 1.25 amp. No, 5 volt, 3 amp, 9 volt, 1.7 amp. So you can plug pretty much any kind of USB plug onto it. Like if says you have a mobile charger or something, which you can use it. Pretty good. Like it.